Hey guys, it's Queen Domo and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be reacting to Kim Taehyung, aka BTS's V's song Rainy Days. I feel like I'll be just so quick to just start the video because I'm an impatient person. I just want to watch and enjoy things. But anyways, let's get started on the video. Pretty. Like for a second I thought I got a message. I'm like, no, that's not me. Ain't that also the sound of Apple? Right? Ain't it? I'm like,
days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wishing how to find the way right
rainy
back
days
to
also
you.
makes me mean for something. Sometimes.
Days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the
What is that?
way right
Morse code? What is
back to
that?
you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Bro, a freaking plane. I don't know if you hear it, but a freaking plane flew by.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도.
The statues is kind of
Let me
scary,
make you
low-key.
feel all the time we lost. We can
bread?
start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can
very
feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you.
But it's very him.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how
Is that really bread? Is he painting with bread? That looks like a fucking baguette.
On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wishing how to
love
find
his
the
hair.
way right back to you.
Grace, it's so pretty.
On rainy days like.
Oh, that was cute. So yeah, that was a very sweet and like, I don't know, comforting type of song, I think. I feel like this is now another song to add to a rainy day playlist because literally it's called Rainy Days. How can I not add it to a playlist to listen to on rainy days? But what I like about it is that he was like indoors the whole time, because like, what are you gonna do on a rainy day but be home and be artistical? I don't know why I keep saying that word. But yeah, you know what I mean. But I'm like confused. Was he really painting with a baguette? Because I love bread. But what else can I say about a perfect video? Well, almost perfect. Those little CGI little stone head thingies, that freaked me out. So besides that, and the little metal metallic head Taehyung, besides those things, it was a pretty perfect video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see me react to in the future. Also, don't forget to follow all my social media accounts. I'll have them linked below. And with that, I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.